Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to show you the steps how to install Active Directory domain services in Windows Server 2025 in our VM workstation. Now friends, you can see this is our fresh operating system which I have installed recently in our VM workstation. If you want to see the configuration of the server, you have to just press Windows E button and just right click this PC and go to the properties. This is our system configuration. Name is server 001 and our processor is Intel Core TM i5 6th generation. I have installed 6 GB RAM in this machine. This is our device ID, product ID. This is system type 64-bit operating system which I have installed. You have to just click on advanced system settings and go to the computer name. Friend, you can see there is no any domain controller installed. That is a workgroup machine. And if you want to see the addition of the server is Windows Server 2025 data center. Now friends, if you want to install the Active Directory domain services, first of all you have to assign the static IP address in this machine. So you have to type Windows R button, type ncpa.cpl, hit enter key. Now friend, you have to see the LAN card. First of all you have to select your LAN card where you have to assign the IP address. I have only one LAN card in this machine. You have to select the LAN card, go to the properties. Now friends, you have to select the internet protocol version. There are two internet protocol version 4 and internet protocol version 6. You have to select your internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and go to the properties. Now friend, you can see there is no any IP address assigned manually. You have to assign this IP address. Just click on use the following IP address and type your IP address which you require. Now friends, I have assigned the IP address in this machine. My primary IP address is 20.0.0.10. Our default subnet mark 255.0.0.0 and default gateway IP address 20.0.0.1 and our preferred DNS server is the main IP address of the server, that is 20.0.0.10. Now just click on OK and just close. And friends, you have to just check your IP is working or not. Just press Windows R button, open CMD, type ping space your IP address and hit enter key. Now friend, is getting reply means your IP address is working properly in your LAN card. Now friend, this is the first steps. Now second step is you have to install the ADDS role from server manager. So you have to open the server manager dashboard. Now friends, you have to just click on add-on and features. Now friend, that is the first wizard. You have to just click on next. Now friend, it is a installation type. There are two type installation base. It is a two types of installation type: role based or feature based installation and remote desktop service installation. So you have to select the by default which is selected already, role based or feature based installation. Just click on next. Now friends, you can see in server selections your computer name, your IP address, your operating system edition. If everything is okay, just click on next. Now friends, you have to select your server roles which you have to install. I am going to select Active Directory domain services, which is untick. You have to tick this role and add features. Just click on next. We don't have any requirement of these features. On next video I will share the descriptions on these topics. Just click on next. Now friend, you have to just click on next. Now that is a confirmation wizard. Just click on install. Now friends, Active Directory domain services role is getting installation. Now friends, Active Directory domain services role has been installed done. You have to just click on close button. Now friend, you have to select ADDS. Now friend, you have to see the right side and just click on more. In action panel friends, you have to just click on promote this server to a domain controller. Now friend, that is a first wizard deployment configuration. You have to select the deployment configuration. You have to select add a new forest, because I have to install activity domain service in first forest. That is a first domain controller which is installed in our forest. You have to type your domain name which you have to install. I My domain name is testvm.local. Just click on next. Now friends, you have to select your domain function level and forest function level. I'm going to select Windows Server 2016 function level, and domain function level is also same, Windows Server 2016. Now friends, you have to type your DSRM password. It should be different. After type DSRM password, just click on next. Now friends, just click on next. Now friend, you can see NetBIOS domain name. Just click on next. Now friends, you can see this is our default path where all the activity database will be stored in C drive, Windows folder, in NTDS and sys folder. These are activity database. You have to change this path also by these options, but this time I'm not going to change anything. So just click on next. Now friend, you can review these options, and after review just click on next. Now it's going to prerequisites check. If everything is okay, then he will pass the green color. Now friends, all prerequisites checks pass successfully, and just click on install for process the activity domain service installation. Now friends, installation has been started and it will take few minutes for install this complete task. So you should be wait. And friends, after install activity domain services, then your computer will restart automatically. Now friends, installation done. Just click on close, and close this task details. Your server has getting restart automatically. Now friends, you have to log in your screen. You have to press Ctrl Alt Delete button to unlock the server screen. Now friend, you can see your domain name slash your user account name is showing, means your activity domain service installation done completely. You have to just type your administrator account password. You have to just click on this PC and go to the properties of the computer, and just click on advanced system settings and go to the computer name tab. Now friend, you can see your domain name is configured done, and your this is a fully qualified domain name, server 001 dot testvm dot local. It is your domain name. So friends, I hope you will understand the concept which I shared to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.